In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate two-step verification on WhatsApp. Having your two-step verification enabled is pretty simple and easy. Be sure to watch to the end of this video to avoid any mistake. In your WhatsApp account, navigate to the top right where you see the three dot and tap on it. Then scroll down and click on settings. On this interface, continue to tap on account. Then you have a bunch of menus under account. You have security notification, two-step verification. In this case, we are interested in tapping on two-step verification. As you correctly see, for extra security, turn on two-step verification, which will require a PIN when registering your phone number with another WhatsApp again. So you have to proceed to tap on turn on. So this will require you to create a 6-digit PIN that you can remember. So let me quickly enter mine. Then you have to confirm it again. So you land on this interface where you'll be required to add an email so you can reset your PIN if in case you forgot it. You can either skip it or you can add an email. I would recommend you add it in case of forgetfulness. After entering your email address, then proceed to tap on next. Then confirm the email address again and hit on save. Congratulations, your two-step verification has been turned on. So you can continue to tap on done. So if later you have a change of mind, you have the option to turn it off, or you can change the PIN or even the email address. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.